Yeah, hi dosto. So today I'm going to tell you regarding how worthy is to join one of the top Indian MNC, whose name is SCL. So many of my subscribers requested me to create this video. They say, "Hey, bhai, please come up with a video regarding the SCL since they could not find any video regarding this. So please, this video is for you, Shahid, Suraj, and many others subscribers who have commented in my comments. So please forgive me that if I haven't taken your name because I okay. So let's continue. So before that, I would request one thing, that if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it among your friends so that it could help them also. So first of all, SCL. I would like to ask one question, that do you anybody knows the full form of this company? Actually, I mean, 4 or 5 years back, I did not know the name of the company. So this story I will tell you at the end, because I don't want to waste any time. So that story I will be uh, telling you in the end. So let's continue. So today I am going to explain you regarding a company called SCL, whose founder is Shiv Nadar. Okay, and currently the SCL has more than 1,80,000 employee, and right now it's among the fourth most valuable company in India. Okay, which works in India in terms of the service based company. Okay, so its president and CEO is C Vijay Kumar, and it has more than I mean, it is present in more than 50 countries, and it has client over all over the world. Okay, so this was a short regarding SCL. So now come to the main point, that okay, what are the thing which SCL gave to the employee. So first, from the employee point of view, whenever we want to join any company, we want to know something. Okay, the first and foremost thing which employee want to know about a company is the work life balance, that how the work life balance in this company, I would say, in SCL is. I have seen one survey, okay, where all the employees of the SCL were asked the same question, that hey, what are the five things you like the most in SCL? I know it was an internal survey, but still in that survey more than 26 or 28%, sorry, 26% of employee says that we love the work life balance of SCL. So what do you mean by this? Actually, SL has a flexi work hour. Being in some companies, there are some rules. Okay, that you have to spend full 9 hours in the office. Sorry, so you have to spend full 9 hours in the office, but SCL has a flexi work hour. Okay, it's mean that it just like I would say similar to IBM, where I have worked for 4.5 years, and I'm fan of it. That if you have worked, then you have to be there, and we used to be in our office for more than 10, 12, 15 years continuously. So similar kind of policies HCL have. I mean, if you have work, then you have to be there. Then and else you can go home. From home you can continue your work, or if you don't have any work on some day, then you can go earlier. I mean, there is no punch system like CTS or any company have. Disclaimer, I don't want to compare any other company, but I just use the company name for example, so that others can understand it well, that what I am trying to say. So the first and foremost thing, if you get an offer from SCL and you think that why I should join SCL, the first thing is work life balance. I mean, in internal survey also, more than one fourth of our employees says that the best thing in SCL is the work life balance. Second thing, brand name. Yeah, actually it's an MNC. Okay, and it's a decent MNC. I mean, more than 1,80,000 people's work here. I know the many good MNCs are also there compared to this. Many product based MNCs are also there, but but it has done fairly well. I mean, I have seen many people have I mean preferred SCL over the other MNCs also, because due to his brand name and the good work that they have done. Third, again from the survey, more than 17 or 20% people says that work environment in SCL is very good. Mainly from Noida's people. I one of I mean earlier on I think that none of my friends worked in SCL, but after going through LinkedIn and Facebook, I come to know that okay, you are there who are working there. So, but I have to find them. So I asked him that how is the work environment here. He used to work in Noida. He said, "Ha, fine. I mean, as like the any other MNCs, the work environment of SCL is also very good. Actually, sometime it depend upon the project. I mean, if your projects demand, then you have to do a hectic work. I mean, you will have a hectic work environment. Else, the work environment of SCL is fairly good. So it has good work-life balance. I would say decent brand name, and a good work environment. Fourth, just like IBM, uh, it allow you to have a flexi work, and it's allow work from home opportunities also. I mean, if your project allow, then you can do your work from home also. Fourth, regarding the on-site opportunity, I mean, SCL has many clients in, I would say, Europe, Middle East, and South Asia. And if you look into these three reasons, you will find the most of the Indian peoples uh, get their on-site opportunity in recent past 5 or 10 years in these three reasons only. I know in America there were on-site opportunity, but right now that has been dried. Okay, many I mean even if you try very hard, then you will get the opportunity there, and it's very tough in compared to 10 years back. But right now, if you meet any person who went to on-site, you will find that more than 60 or 70% of them goes to these three reasons. So Middle East, Europe, and Southeast Asia. I mean Singapore, Indonesia, those reasons. So even Australia. So these place has a good on-site opportunity, and I would say 90% of the SCL work come from this reason. So if you are working there, you might get a chance to get an on-site opportunity. But again, I said that on-site opportunity totally depend upon luck. I mean, whether you have placed in the right place at right time or not, and whether there is a project requirement or not. So if there are project requirement, and if you work in SCL, then you might get chance for the on-site opportunity. I mean, they have their clients in the region where their demands for the on-site. And if there are demand and you work very well, you might get an on-site opportunity there also. I think one of my family doctor, I mean, to whom I used to consult, his brother-in-law also worked in SCL. So only one person with whom I meet personally in the recent days. So he said that he is in Russia. So he got an on-site opportunity, and he was working in, I think, in Noida. So from Noida he got an on-site opportunity to Russia. So there is okay. Now regarding bonus, okay, do SCL provide any bonus or not? Yeah, SCL provide employee one yearly bonus, that is your equivalent to the 10 days salary. So whatever monthly salary you have, I mean, one third of that, I would say on an average, because we can think that okay, 30 days in a month is your, so 10 days salary you will get as a bonus each year by the SCL. So I hope I have cleared your doubts that what kind of company the SCL is. Okay, how the work-life balance in SCL is, what kind of brand value it has, how the work environment, whether they allow flexi hours or not, whether they allow work from home or not, whether they have any on-site opportunity they have, whether they have bonuses in SCL or not. So I think I have answered all your 8 queries. I see all this information I have gathered from two friend, okay, and LinkedIn and all those places. Okay, so I might miss few of them, so please comment if you knows more better than me. Then please comment in the comments so that would help the others also. Yeah, I think I missed one point, that regarding a firing. See, firing may happen to any company if you don't work well, and if you work well and if you prove your skill, if you prove your importance in the project, then no company want to fire a good developer. Okay, I mean there were need for the resource, and there are need for the resource, and there will be a need for the resource who work very well. So if you have good knowledge, then whether you work in any company, okay, even a company which can we fire any person at any day, you can work there and you can prove your ability, and you can work there for years and years. So don't worry regarding the firing. I mean, all the company have the hire and fire rules. All those company firing happen from the back door, whether it's a Microsoft, whether Google, or whether Uber, whether any other company. Okay, whether you are working in any company, whether you're working big or very small company. I mean, so that's why I did not pick up that point, because I think that point is not worthy to discuss, because that totally depend upon you, your skill, and how you represent yourself. So now coming to the story which I have told earlier, that okay, do you know the full form of SCL? The full form of SCL is Hindustan Computer Limited. So one day when I was sitting in my office, I got a call, and one good lady said that, hi, I am calling from Hindustan Computer Limited. I said, what? Well, yeah, Hindustan Computer Limited, and I'm calling from Kamak Street, Kolkata. So yeah, I live in Kolkata, and I know that Kamak Street is a part of a old Kolkata. Earlier on, all the offices were there, but most of the office has switched to Salt Lake, Rajarhat, on those places, and so there are very less of you, or almost none IT company. Most of the IT company are in Salt Lake or Rajarhat. I said, what? I said, oh, I worked in Salt Lake, and I don't want to go to Kamak Street. At Kamek Street, I mean, from my home, it's just a 10 minute journey, and for Rajarhat, I have to make a journey more than 1.5 hours. But still, I said, I don't want to go to Kamek Street, because it's an old Kolkata part, and there is no IT company. The lady says, hey, we are calling from Hindustan Computer Limited. You just come and see our office. I said, why I will come and see your office? Why I will waste my time? So once she dropped the call, the bell rang in my head. Hindustan Computer Limited, Hindustan Computer Limited. Then I think, oh, HCL, Hindustan Computer Limited. Then I done Googles. I find, okay, it was SCL. So 5 years or 6 years back, I got a call from SCL for the interview, and I just simply say, no, I don't want to give an interview, because that place I don't like, and that place only the small company would have been. So this is one of my funniest story that happened to me. Okay, so I'm ending the video, and in the end I would just request that if you have liked my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Please share it among your friends, and please give your valuable comment about your experience, that what happened to you, how you rate SCL, and what thing I have missed in the video. So thank you, and bye bye.